The bounce is good, and the try is...
Rugby, American football's European cousin. Limited padding, no helmets, but lots of physical contact. This is the male-dominated game we know. But these girls want to change that image. They are part of the West Tennessee League, consisting of teams from area high schools.
Ashley and I kind of had the idea to make it, so we kind of went out there and asked Coach Rodell if we could.
Watching my brother play for so long, it's just such a fun game to watch, and like watching like the U.S. play like other kind of countries, it was a lot of fun to watch, and I just thought I should try it. I thought it would be fun.
Despite coming from 3 rival schools, Coach Kevin Rodell has seen these female athletes come together to form a team with an unmatchable sense of unity.
This team has got a great group of girls from different schools. They've really bonded together, come together kind of like sisters, so they've really embraced community and they support each other tremendously.
Rugby is one of the most physical games in the world, but with every hit, these girls are proving it isn't just a male sport.
It's very big that we have something that we didn't have a long time ago, well, for the past few years, because we should have opportunities just like the boys.
The players aren't the only ones who feel this way. Even boys who play rugby feel girls can play this physical sport.
The girls play more aggressive, I would say. Guys play more skillful with the passes and stuff. Girls go out there just to hit each other.
These girls aren't here just to have fun. They're here to prove a point.
Girls can play rugby. Girls can beat boys in rugby too.
With every scrum, bust, or tackle, these girls from Collierville, Houston, and Germantown are showing everyone they are legitimate and here to stay. Reporting for Wake Up Germantown, I'm Vontrell Thomas.